In this video, I will show you how to make your Facebook account private. I will first show you how to do this using the Facebook website. So if you're visiting Facebook via a website using a desktop or another device, the first step in this video will show you how to make your Facebook account private using the website version of Facebook. Then I will show you how to make your Facebook account private using the Facebook application. You will usually visit Facebook using the Facebook app when you're visiting Facebook via your mobile phone device or a mobile device when you have downloaded the Facebook app. Both of these methods are going to work, but of course, they are slightly different depending on how you're visiting Facebook. So if you're visiting Facebook using a web browser via the Facebook website, the first step will be for you. Of course, I advise that you watch through that as well until you get to the second step where I show you how to make your Facebook account private using the Facebook application. So now that we've gone through what this video is about, let's show you how this is done. This is how to make your Facebook account private in 2025. Let's go. Here we are on Facebook via the website. Remember, I will be showing you how to do this in the Facebook application as well. So don't forget to stay until that part of the video. Here I'm on the news feed. This is where if I scroll down, I will find more posts by my friends and by any pages that I follow. On the left hand side, you can see more additional information that I can access. Friends, memories, groups, and more. Where we want to go to set our profile to private is the top right hand corner of the website. So follow my mouse and over here, next to menu, next to messenger and notifications, you want to click this icon on the far right hand corner, which is your profile picture, your display picture, your account. Let's select this now. This will open up a drop-down menu. In this drop-down menu, you will have your profile, which you can visit straight away. You will have any pages that you have created. Then, below this, you can see Settings and Privacy. Select Settings and Privacy. This will open up another menu. In this menu, you want to select Settings. This will open up this settings page where you have more information. I wanted to take you here because there are things that you might want to do instead of setting your profile to private. Maybe there's somebody you want to block or more. If this is the case, remember I can show you these steps and how to do specific things on Facebook, as I've been using Facebook since 2009. And I'm quite experienced and can walk you through many things that have been updated even today. So let's continue to set your profile to private. On this side menu here, which I've been scrolling up and down, you want to go under where it reads Tools and Resources, right here on the left hand side. You can select Default Audience Settings. Select this and I will show you how you can set your profile to private. In 2025, you have a few options on how you can do this. Your default audience is an audience that automatically is able to see your posts. But you can read this statement here to give you more information on what this is. Choosing a default audience automatically sets the audience for some content that you share. But you can always change the audience for specific posts, stories, or reels. So if you choose a private setting or a more private setting for your posts on your Facebook profile, you can also change this on the post level. So if you create a new post, you can set the audience on that post, even when you have changed your default audience, effectively setting your Facebook profile to private. So right here, we have two main options. You have friends and public. Under friends, you can see the option that you have. When you select this is only your friends can see what you share. If you create a public post, only your friends can comment on it. That's one of the private settings that you currently have. If I select this, anybody that is publicly viewing my Facebook profile or finding my Facebook profile will not be able to see any of my posts if they are not my friends. So they will need to add me before they're seeing my posts. Now, of course, you can change your posts on a post-to-post basis. But this will effectively set your profile to private. So select friends right here and your Facebook profile will now be private between you and your friends. You also have a custom setting. Your current setting, that's my setting right now, where I manually choose my audience for each post that I make on Facebook. If I set this to friends, only my friends will be able to see my posts on Facebook when I make a new post. If I select next, this will take effect. But before I do that, and now that I've shown you how to set your profile to private on the website version of Facebook, let's show you how to do this on the mobile application. Because of course, Facebook looks different, feels different, and effectively is different when you're using the application version of Facebook. So let's take you over into the Facebook app to show you how to do this over there as well. Let's go. Now let's show you how to make your Facebook account private when using the Facebook application. I'm on my mobile phone. First step is to find the Facebook app. Once you've found the Facebook app, select it to open it. This should take you to the home page. If it doesn't, don't worry, because you can always get back to the home page as a starting point by selecting that home icon from the bottom of the screen. But don't worry, this is not where we're going to make our profile private. In the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you can see my display picture with a circular menu icon. This is different to visiting your actual profile. I want you to select this. It's right next to the notification bell where you can see I have 9 notifications. Select your profile icon from the bottom right hand corner of this menu. This will take you to this page where you can see my profile at the top. It reads menu and there's also the settings gear icon in the bottom in the top right hand corner. If you scroll down on this page, you will also see settings and privacy. This is a drop down menu. So at the right of where it reads settings and privacy, you can tap that little arrow. This will then give you settings, privacy center, your time on Facebook, devices, requests or device requests, recent ad activity, orders and payments. We want to get to the settings from here. So where it reads settings, tap settings. Now let's make your profile private. So let's scroll down from here to show you what we have and what we need to select. In this case, we're using the audience settings version of setting your profile to private, because there is a deeper way that you can make every piece of information private on your Facebook page. For example, your birthday. But we're setting our posts to private, effectively setting our profile to private. I wanted to let you know that so that you know there's more that you can do to set your profile to private. If you want another video on this, do let me know. Here, where it reads default audience settings under tools and resources, select that. Just like we did on desktop, we now have 3 options. You have public, friends, and custom, which is what I currently have. I'm about to set my profile audience to private so that only my friends can see my post by default. Remember, you can change this with each post. So if you want to make a public post, you can do so. Remember the information that I gave you at the beginning of this video. One of the reasons why I wanted to show you on desktop is because my mobile screen doesn't showcase everything underneath where it reads, for example, friends. You can't see the entire sentence because of the size of my mobile screen. So you have that information at the beginning of this video where I've shown you how to do this on desktop. I'm going to select friends in this example to set my default audience to friends, setting all of my posts that I make to private so that the public cannot see my posts on my Facebook page. Let's select next. Use friends default audience setting. We suggest these settings to people who use Facebook to connect with friends and family. Who can see your posts, stories and reels? Friends. Allows others to share your public stories and reels to their stories. Off. Who can comment on your public post? Friends. Currently set to public. Only friends will see your profile info. And who can see the people, pages and lists you follow? Friends, which are currently set to only me, which is the reason why I wanted to show you or let you know during this video that there are other settings that you can use to set specific things to specific audiences on your Facebook profile. Because only me means that only I can see it. When using this privacy setting, friends can see things that I had previously set to only me being able to see it. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? If I use this privacy setting, this will be off. It's currently on. So this means, for example, if you wanted to Google search my Facebook profile, you could find my Facebook profile using a Google search if you know what to search for. When this privacy setting is on, that will no longer apply to my profile. If I select confirm, I would effectively set my profile to private. I can do this right now by selecting confirm. Default audience is updated. Your default audience on Facebook has been updated to friends. You can change your setting at any time. So right now, people cannot find my Facebook profile using a search engine, and most of the information that I share about myself on my Facebook profile will also be private between me and my friends that have added me on Facebook. Select done when you're happy. You have now set your profile to private on Facebook using the mobile application if you followed every step in this video. Remember, I've also taken you through the desktop version of this and the mobile application, so you can do it on either. Share this with any friends or workmates that might need help setting their Facebook profile to private. Remember, this also takes effect on your reels. There's more where this came from right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. Don't forget that you can subscribe right now for additional videos where I walk you through many other things that may be helpful or interesting to you. I'm a solo creator here on YouTube, so every bit of help counts. So when you subscribe, like a video, or if you request something in the comment section, I'm here and I'm the one that's continuing to talk to you daily. So remember that, guys. Check the video that you can see on screen right now. There's more where this came from. Thank you for watching this video. I've enjoyed creating it. See you in the next one.